O-rings sit inside many pieces of pool equipment that will need to be replaced over time due to wear and tear. One of the more common O-rings that needs replacement is located underneath the clear lid of the pump. It is crucial for this ring to be properly secured so that the seal is airtight and the pump can function properly. Have a flathead screwdriver and a lubricant handy as you replace the O-ring. We strongly recommend using Jack's Formula Multilube for its reliability on pool equipment. Before you begin, turn your shutoff valves to the proper position so that the water flow is stopped from both the skimmer and the return sides. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Hayward 1022 black cap or rags. Next, remove the clear lid that sits directly on top of the pump strainer basket by pushing down on the lid and turning the handle. Turn the lid upside down to see the O-ring along the perimeter of the lid. Pinch the ring with your fingers to remove, or use a flathead screwdriver for more leverage. You're now ready to install the new O-ring. To provide the best seal, gently apply a layer of Jack's Formula to the ring. Place the ring inside of the groove along the rim of the lid. Your new O-ring is set and ready for use. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.